Hey guys, welcome back. Today I would like to share you the best mod for the iPhone. So you can do many things with your iPhone, including like customize the home screen, or you can run all OS on your iPhone, or you can also run Samsung's Android on your iPhone as well. Now let me show you how to do all of those one by one. First, let's start with this one. Actually, this is a wallpaper that you can do it and post on social media. You can show off to your friend. It is a replica of the iPhone 14. Actually, my phone is upside down. You can see right here. So if I put it like this, you can see it is actually a photo from my camera roll. So if you want to get it, you need to go ahead and go into Safari. Then you're gonna go into this link. I will provide it in my comment section. Then you can scroll down and hold on it and save it into your camera roll. It is very simple. And then you're gonna go back into your camera roll, and so you also need to lock the screen as well, and you can put your phone upside down and you're gonna have this amazing style. The next one is an application that allow you to run Android on your iPhone. So you can see here it is exactly the same as a Samsung Galaxy. So if I go into setting, you're gonna get the same menu or the same setting just like on Android. And if I some of these options does not work, but at least you get the same design, the same UI, and we have this button where you can go back home. Like this, you have Galaxy Store as well. Now let me show you how to have this. You need to go into Safari, and then you're gonna go into this link called itest.nz. And what you're gonna do is click on the share button and add it into your iPhone home screen, and click on the add button, and you're gonna find it right here. You can go ahead and open it, and you will have Android on your device. It is as simple as that. So you can see right here. For the next one here, you can run all version on your new iPhone. So you can see here, this is actually the older version, iOS 5, and we can go ahead and go into setting, and everything is working perfectly fine. You can go ahead and check on general and above. We're gonna get the information. From here we have 128 gigabyte, and for the camera it also working as well. So you can take a photo if you like, and you have video mode as well, and we have the home button. So it is a replica of the older version for your new iPhone. So to have it, you need to go ahead and install test flight. So test flight is important. You need to install it first. It is free on the App Store. Then after you install test flight, you're gonna go into Safari, and from here you need to go into this link for the test flight link. I will link it in my comment section. Then scroll down a bit, you're gonna click on start testing, and it should redirect into test flight, and you can accept and install it into your into your iPhone, just like that. And thanks for watching. I hope you like all of this mod. Then I will see you guys in the next one.